All right, so here we are at our new listing. First, we have a 3-car garage, 8-foot high doors, along with, is that 6? Yeah. Along with a paver driveway, paver walkway. We also have shrubs around the front bands. I don't know if that's gonna show up, but we have soffit lighting, frosted glass impact doors, along with a transom window. I like the symmetry. Gotta say, I'm a big fan of the symmetry. All right, let's go inside. As soon as you walk inside, you have your main living area, the kitchen, dining, and then to our right, we have a hallway with a closet, which is awesome because, you know, everybody usually kicks off their shoes in the front here or whatnot, crowds out the entryway, even the furniture. But in here, you can put your shoes, do a little bit of reorganization in the closet, and you could have a coat closet too. Really, really nice feature. Kids' backpacks, a little mud room. So let's go ahead to our left. We have guest bedroom number 1. Yeah. We have closet all the way up. Yeah, you could definitely get capacity. So I see 8-foot doors. We have marble windowsills that are here. Nice big window. The doors are updated. Let's see. So you can see this. I don't know if you, the doors are not the regular 6-panel doors. We just have a very clean look. Luxury vinyl floor, outlets, Ethernet already in here. All right. 10-foot ceilings inside the bedroom. Let's go into the guest bathroom. All right, guest bathroom, simple but nice. We have tile, goes about 8 foot up. And you know, here's the thing. Could they have went up to the ceiling? Yes, they could have. But aesthetically and visually, I love the fact that we have an 8-foot door that comes across and then the tile goes a little bit above. So it kind of flows. And great job on this band all the way around, even the top as well. And then, oh, the toilet, efficiency toilet. Number 1, number 2, there we go. But overall, good job in here, like that. So we have guest bedroom number 2 in here. I don't know if I pointed out before, but there's pot lighting in every single room here. In the last guest bedroom, this guest bedroom, so that's gonna be a common theme. It's pre-wired for a fan already, so that's super, super nice. Closet. Yep, same type of closet that's in here. Yeah, really, really nice. All right, so we are gonna go. We have nice 8-foot slider. There's a lot of natural lighting that comes through here. Just FYI, there's a ton. We have the transom window, windows over here, and these 8-foot sliders. There is a good amount. Ooh, we'll get to the lanai here in a second. All right, so we come back in this back hallway, bathroom over here, and I would consider like down this hallway, like an in-law suite, right? So when you come over here, same as the other bathroom, except we have a shower floor, a beautiful glass door, and the same tiling. And you could tell this concrete's pitched the right way. We could see that everything slopes towards the middle of the drain. So they did a really, really good job there. Happy to see no sitting water. We go back in this corner bedroom, and here is our in-law suite. I mean, yep, see pot lighting. We got pot light. I know it's hard to show up on camera there, but pot lighting there. Center cap for a pre-wired for a fan. But yeah, this would be considered an in-law suite. It's right off with another full bathroom. And what's nice is this house doesn't have a pool, but if you were to decide to put a pool, yes, there's enough room for a pool. But when people can come in, they could go into this guest bathroom over here, which is super, super nice, right? Now, now let's take a peek at this kitchen. So here's the living area, good size, a lot of natural lighting. Pendant lighting looks gorgeous. Again, clean aesthetically. We have 6-inch baseboards all the way around. A great size, great size dining room. You could fit between 6 to 8 people in there on a decent sized table, I would say. And you know, some people like the 90-degree sliders. That increases your cost. I think it's like $7,000 per panel, something like that. But if you were to do a 0-degree slider, yes, you could do it. But quite honestly, I prefer something like this where you have 8-foot sliders all the way across. So this way you have wall space on both sides and you're able to decorate, hang things. And it's not an awkward setup because quite honestly, if the 0-degree slider on this side doesn't pocket all the way, you really don't get that open feel, right? Coming around to the kitchen. Bye guys, thanks for stopping. Oh, I thought you were leaving. So coming around to the kitchen, we have offset colors. We have a darker gray, and then we have the white cabinet stacked on top, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, everything else. Coming over here, I'm gonna start on this side. Don't peek yet. But coming in here, we have the laundry room. And there's so many I don't know about you, but like when it comes time for laundry, especially in my household, wife, 2 kids, like this is where we live. So having a washer and dryer, you could put them side by side right over there. And then you have room for upper cabinets. You could even have a bar that hangs. I showed you guys that in other videos. And pretty good storage because the washer and dryer is gonna come out to like somewhere right here. So you can have laundry bins. You could set it up really nice, you know? Good storage and laundry solution. Now coming to this other side, bam, look at the size of this pantry. All right, so I just replaced my camera battery, but back to it. This pantry is awesome. Like usually you get like a little shelf like this in here with a door and that's it. Or a bifold. It's nice that it's tucked away and you have room to store stuff in addition to the regular cabinets. But the huge plus here. So let's keep on going so I can show you the rest of the home. So now we are gonna go into the master bedroom. As soon as you walk in to our right, we have the luxury vinyl flooring. We have pot lighting. We have it's pre-wired for a fan. Electrical outlets galore. You're not gonna go short on electrical outlets, that's for sure. Here we go, boom. All right, so now here's the closets, right? There's still some punch list items that are being taken care of, but overall should be good. So I guess this would be more of a linen closet. You could put your suitcases, whatnot, shoes on this side. And then we have the additional closet. Look at this thing. This thing is ginormous. Huge. Look at this. All the space. You could double stack the closets to have his and hers, have double rows, so there's a lot more options for storage. And now we're gonna come into the bathroom. So we have a separate vanity here, dual sinks, and then one on that side as well. Like I said, and then right on this side over here, we have the toilet or restroom with number 1, number 2 efficiency back there. Yeah, right there. And then coming back, this section is left open. I guess if you wanted to put a makeup table or something like that, or another piece of furniture or storage cabinet, you have flexibility in doing that, right? Now, this is crazy. Man, let me see if I could, see if you could see me in here. But, all right, this shower, the glass door is beautiful and it's ginormous. It rolls smooth already, but like, this thing is huge. Like, I'm in the corner. I'm about 5'11". Look how massive this thing is. I mean, it's huge. This is a very big, very big shower. Man, I hope the audio comes out good on this. And then again, everything's pitched towards the middle. So I don't see any no water that's just sitting anywhere. They have a built-in shelf on this side. I'll bring you in here, come on. All right. So we have a built-in shelving over here. We have a rain head shower on this side, and it's just huge. I mean, the shower is just gigantic. I mean, holy cow. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this up. Close this door. What? All right. All right, so while we're here, one more area I wanted to show you, or a couple more areas. Here is the garage. 3-car garage. We have the hot water heater over to the side there, electrical panel. There's outlets on this wall over here, and over there. Might be a little bit dark. So 3-car garage, you can see it here. And there is pot lighting in here as well. So you have good lighting. Could use a few more lights, but overall, it does the job. And yeah, painted garage floor. Hurricane doors, that's what these bars are here for. But yeah, pretty simple, clean garage. Now let's show you the other side of the property. So we're gonna come to the back here off the lanai. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but there is a tray ceiling up there. Again, 4 pot lighting, pre-wired for a fan. I mean, there's pot lighting galore everywhere here. We got pot lighting over there, pot lighting in the dining room. I mean, there are a ton of options. Here we are in the lanai. We have pavers back here. And then check this out. How cool is this? So that's already pre-plumbed for a sink. You have electrical outlets here, and you could put in your own kitchen or a built-in kitchen, which is awesome, right? On this side over here, we have 1 receptacle on this wall. But again, check out all this lighting in the back here, pot lighting. Not only do they give you 1 fan spot, but 2 fan spot. Come around the back here. We have the backyard. I mean, you have plenty of room for a pool. We're fenced with a vinyl PVC fence on this side. We have a fence on this side, and you could put a fence on that side as well. But overall, you have more than enough room for a pool. Some things that I really enjoy about this home is the fact that it has so much storage in the home, like in areas where it matters. The master closet, huge closet, a second closet for linens or sheets, luggage, whatever that looks like in there. You also have storage for the pantry area that we looked at. You have storage in the laundry room with optional cabinets that you could put in there. You have a front way closet storage. You have the 3-car garage, which most people use it as storage. That's awesome. And then you have 3 full bathrooms in here, which is amazing. On that side, you have the in-law quarters where you have a full bathroom for people to go to. And then if you were to add a pool in, it'd be very easy to come from your pool through the sliders into that door without making your way throughout the whole house. And you know, usually you lay down rugs or towels or whatever it is, so water doesn't sit there. I love that. You have guest bedrooms in the front that's separated from the in-law quarters. So even if you have guests or company that come over, your kids are on that side where they have their own bathroom, or you could split it up and have an office on that side. Overall, what I'm saying is that this property has a lot of options. And I'm a person who nitpicks all different types of floor plans, and this floor plan here is just ultra functional. In the tray, 12-foot ceiling, 11-foot, inside the bedrooms, 10-foot. That's what I saw. And then you have 8-foot doors throughout. I mean, anytime I'm taking clients out, the first thing I tell them is focus on the floor plan, because you can't change the floor plan. And if you do, it'd be kind of silly because it costs you an enormous amount of money unless you could build it in a way that it flows with each other. And generally that's super expensive. But outside of that, this property here, man, it checks off a lot of boxes. And when I say a lot of boxes, like almost everything on my list I would want in a home. So consider these walls are ready for you to put your own touch or colors on them and everything else. So outside of that, your baseboards are super clean, 6-inch wide, very simple, very clean. The drywall work in here is pretty amazing. They did a really good job with the drywall in here. Additionally, like square edges, the walls are flat, there's no seams. All the windowsills have marble on them. There's granite in the kitchen, of course. I would expect that for a home of this caliber and the price point that it's going to be at. But those are my final thoughts on this. For more information about this property, it's going to be in the description box below. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My calendar information, if you wanted a consultation, is in the description below. Click the link, schedule a time that works best for you. You'll pop up in my calendar. We can meet via Google Meet, phone call, or plain old FaceTime, whichever makes sense, right? And we could go over what your real estate goals are. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.